What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today is day 19 and we are talking about how to get that commercial grade look.
Commercial
Grading is about accuracy and not style. It's really used in product videos and corporate videos, things like that. So we have our video here, play it out. And you may have seen me post this video already. My original grade wasn't the quote unquote
commercial
look, it was just my kind of look with it. I just applied the same grade we've been working in, the power grade, with the color space transform and all that stuff. And all I did was clean up the shadows. So we're going to this last node and go to your log wheels, and I'm gonna reset this. The green is high in the midtones and the blue is low. We need to even that out. So we can take our green, drop that down. And you see we're just cleaning up a little bit. Wanna go too low. Drop our blues down a little bit. We're gonna drop our reds down. That's it for day 19. Thank you for watching. Tune in for day 20 of the grade, where we'll be talking about the golden hour look.